The all-new Vidiem Adc, your all-day companion. ADC helps you through the day. Breakfast, lunch, tiffin and dinner done easy. With its wide array of features, ADC delivers all-day power and performance to keep up with the demands of your kitchen. The all-purpose 2-liter stainless steel multi-chef is designed to make your cooking experience enjoyable. Salads in seconds, bhaji in a jiffy, a flurry of curries, crispy thin chips, all this and more using your thick and thin slicers. Great for your raitas, alwas and curries, no worries. Chop non-stop. Want to make some bread instead? Not just that. Make soft chapatis, yummy parathas, pizza base and much more. Using the multi-chef will never be a bore. Feeling thirsty? A healthy glass of citrus juice made just like that. Juice fruits and vegetables. Blend and liquidize mouth-watering smoothies, milkshakes, lassis and creamy pesto. Extract coconut milk and tamarind. All this with your super juicer and blender. The versatile 1.5-liter master jar for super quick grinding. The 1-liter multi-jar for dry and wet grinding of scrumptious spices. Flavorful chutneys, ginger garlic paste in an instant with your 0.5-liter marble jar. No matter the time of day, ADC keeps delicious food coming your way. Vidiem Adc, your all-day companion.